Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok issues. To know how to find the solution about TikTok, you should just go to settings. Here you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about the app of TikTok. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working, you can go to your Play Store. You will search about TikTok. If you will find it, you can click here update to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.